Hello, in this demonstration, I'm back with blot printing, which seemed quite popular last week. I'm going to do something called mirror blotting, or it's like the Rorschach uh, blot printing. Warhol did a large one of these. I folded this piece of paper here. I'm going to do a draw. I'm going to try and do a continuous random line drawing using this squeeze bottle with the needle nose tip to draw out a design. Then I'm going to print it and you'll get 2 for 1. I'm going to get started. And as I'm doing this, I have to squeeze and draw. I've got liquid black acrylic paint in there. Cheapo brand is fine, Craft Smart, or you can go Liquitex. Just needs to be liquidy, so it'll come through that needle nose tip. Mine is a fine, very fine tip. There's some that are wider, which is nice because then you can stick a pin in it so the paint does not dry inside that needle nose tip. So I'm going to recommend, if you use the fine point one, that when you're done, you remove the tip, which is easy, and run some water through it. There's lots to choose from of these squeeze bottles. On Amazon, I'm going to start doing more with colored paint. Okay, so I've only been using one line. My hand is getting tired. Okay. Pick up where I left off. The beauty of this is that the paint stays wet, so I have time to draw out a fairly complicated design before blotting. I think I'll stop right there. I can always add more. Okay, so now the magic moment. I'm going to fold this over, lightly rub. Now the magic moment. Wow, it really changed it. All those lines spread out. Super cool. So there's so much I could do with this. I can cut this in half. I've got 2 different pictures. I could go smaller and make cards out of this. If I blotted some paint on a surface and then pressed it on a canvas, I'd have a nice compositional structure to use. Okay, I'm going to show you a few others that I did a while ago. This one I drew a frame. Maybe I was thinking of a card, not really sure. And then I just did my mirror blot printing. Love this one. And then this would be beautiful to go over with maybe some transparent watercolor for contrast. This looks sort of like a constellation. And then this one, I think I put stickers down at first randomly, and then I did this doodle. It looks kind of like a court jester. Here you can see it better if I go that way. You can see the figure. So that is it for, I'm going to call it mirror blot printing. And enjoy, and let me know in the comments what you like about this process. This is my video that went viral, so I'm pretty excited about that, and I totally appreciate your support. Okay, thank you so much.